Hi, my name is Phil Valdez, lead mechanic for Chaparral Motorsports, Precision Concepts Kawasaki team. Today we'll be doing a top end on a 2019 KX450. As I tear down the top end, we'll do a couple key things to show you the proper way to install the piston. Now I got the valve cover off and the engine plugs off. What you want to do is make sure you're at top dead center. So make sure you want to line up the line here and get the dots on both sides angled straight. Now I got the head off, the cylinder off. Now it's time to take the piston clip out. Before I take it out, make sure you put a rag or paper towel around the piston so the clip doesn't fall down into the bottom end. Now that I have the head, cylinder, and piston off, now it's time to prep the piston and the cylinder. Before you install your ring, you'll see an end. Make sure that's facing up. We choose to use a standard compression Ford Pro Series JE piston. In our experience, the Ford piston has given us the most longevity in off-road racing. Just finished honing the cylinder. The reason why I hone this cylinder is because it cleans up all the marks on the inside, does a nice white hone, and it makes proper lubrication for the piston. Now I'm done surfacing and honing the cylinder. Make sure you clean it really good. If you don't have a parts cleaner, get contact cleaner and spray it all down. And what I like to do is spray some on the paper towel and wipe the inside. Before you install the cylinder, make sure you put some oil on the inside of the cylinder and rub your finger all the way around. It's important that the cylinder is lubricated properly before install. It's one of the main keys for proper break-in for the piston. It's really important to make sure your cam caps are really torqued properly. I usually go by the sequence of the numbers on there. Before I got the bike back together, I checked the valve clearance to make sure it's inspected. You want to make sure you do that every time you do a top end. Now the whole bike's done, ready to go, fresh top end. You want to make sure you do a properly break-in. I usually go ride for 20 minutes, let it cool off for 20 minutes, and then I go about like half a tank.